अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, ये है गांव सगर and it is located on the Talagang Miyan Valley Road. An open court hearing, Khuli Kachari, is going to be held here by the Honorable Ahmad Mohiuddin, DPO Chakwal District, DPO Talagang District, and it is his arrival is expected here. He will be arriving here within few minutes only, and you can see that large number of people from the area have been gathered here. All of these have certain type of complaints and problems with the either with the administration or with certain other disputants. And DPO Chakwal district, DPO Talagang district, Honorable Ahmad Mohiuddin is very famous for making most of the decision on the spot and delivering justice to the needy people, to the victims. And for that all reason, he is very much popular in the whole of the country, not only in the country but even outside the country as well. So his arrival is awaited here, and he will be arriving here only within few minutes to start all the proceedings. Large number of people in the area, women, men, and all the people have gathered here. So let's see what he will be arriving here within few minutes only, inshallah, and then we will start showing you again what is going on here.